I'm Allie, and I am a model and a professional product endorser. It is my pleasure to have been chosen by MindWeb eSolutions as one of the endorsers. The company was launched in July of this year, but its web presence and campaign have surpassed that of some medium-scale businesses that have already existed for years. For the last 7 days, it has reached more than 110,000 internet users, while the MyClass database system, the company's first product, has received almost 400,000 impressions. MindWeb eSolutions was founded with strong values and the utmost attention to the needs of its clients and a great sense of care for its employees. MindWeb eSolutions is keeping up with the latest business trends and is the result of why it has invested so much energy into online technology. You can visit the company at mindweb.com.ph or like its Facebook page at facebook.com/mindwebesolutions.